Lesson 22, the 22nd and last dictation of Book 1.
Hello.
Hi, it's me. What are you doing today?
Hey Mark. I didn't have anything planned today, why?
I was thinking of going to the zoo, do you want to come?
The zoo? Is the zoo here a good one? I've never been there.
It is the best in the state. It has an area that looks like the plains, where they have antelope, gazelle, wildebeest, and bison. They keep the large cats separate so they—
Large cats? Like what?
Lions, cheetahs, tigers, jaguars. In smaller pens they have a lynx and a family of bobcats. They even have an aviary and an aquarium.
An aviary, what is that?
It is a place they keep birds. It has different areas that look like where the birds live in the wild. They have a small lake area, that the herons and egrets like, with trees for the cardinals and woodpeckers, another area that looks like the jungle for parrots, macaws, toucans and cockatoos. They also have a bird show, where they let hawks, eagles, and even an owl fly around you.
Wow.
Yeah, the bird show is cool.
What kind of fish do they have in the aquarium?
It is a large saltwater aquarium, like the ocean. It has all kinds of different and colorful, smaller fish swimming around, also with things like crabs and lobsters, sea orzas, and jellyfish. The aquarium is large enough it even has a stingray, an octopus, and a couple of types of sharks.
Does it have whales?
No, it isn't that big. They don't have dolphins, killer whales, or anything else that big.
I've never seen a shark.
So, do you want to come with me?
Yes, I would. When are you leaving?
I wanted to take off from here by noon. I can arrive at your house by 12:30.
Okay, that sounds great. I'll see you in a couple of hours.
Perfect. I'll see you then. Many animals are raised by farmers for food. Cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs quickly come to mind, along with chickens, turkeys, and even ducks. Some farms even have rabbits. A common problem with having so many animals on the farm, is wild animals sometimes raid the farmer's animals. A majority of farmers own dogs to help protect their animals. Dogs have long been called man's best friend, but wild canines have always been a problem. Foxes are a shy animal, usually hunting alone. They normally hide from man, but they have been known to eat chickens and steal eggs. Coyotes usually hunt in groups of 2 or 3, and eat all forms of small things like insects, mice, lizards, rabbits, even fruit and animals as large as goats and sheep. For farmers, the worst canine is the wolf. Traveling in packs of up to 10, they hunt larger game like sheep, cattle, deer, caribou, and even the largest of the deer family, moose. Cats and dogs have teeth some people would call fangs, but the proper name for these teeth are canines. They are the longer, pointy teeth towards the front of the animal's mouth. Humans also have canines. Venomous snakes have fangs, a hollow tooth that injects a poison into its victim. Many animals fall into the deer family, and almost all types of deer have antlers. Of the deer species you have learned about, white-tailed deer have the smallest antlers, while the caribou's antlers are larger, and both male and female caribou have antlers. Moose, however, have the largest antlers of them all. One kind of deer, the Chinese water deer, doesn't have antlers at all. Instead, the males have long tusk-like canines that reach below the lower jaw. The easiest way to tell a crocodile from an alligator is to look at the shape of its nose. If it has a pointy nose, it is a crocodile, while if its nose looks more squarish, it is an alligator. This has been Dictation 22, the last dictation of Book 1. We look forward to you joining us in the intermediate classes. So this is goodbye, and hello.